Greetings, I'm Gena, and I'm a clinical social worker, integrative psychotherapist, neuroscience-informed life coach, social justice advocate, and racial healing practitioner. I invite you to come relax with me on my blue couch, where I share tips and tricks to add to your very own self-healing toolbox to help regulate, balance, and calm your mind, body, and spirit. Come on and have a seat on the blue couch. So, even though I am hurt and grieving the loss of my relationship, I still have worth. It's never just one person's fault. And I know that there is someone out there for me. When I think about it, I really do have good relationships in my life. That right person is welcomed in my life. And that person sticks by me. And you know what? Everyone has the choice to stay or to leave. And I get to decide what closure looks like for me. I'm confident that I will find a relationship that lasts. And even if no one else does, I accept all of me. I'm learning to express myself with words, and that's never too much. I'm proud of who I am and who I am becoming. I am open and receptive to acts of kindness. The right person will have longevity with me. And the relationship that I desire is being cultivated within me now. I don't feel alone. In fact, I am not alone. I know what direction I am headed. I am patient with myself because healing takes time. I redirect my thoughts in a healthy direction. I choose to be with just me for now as I heal. I deserve love. But no one is perfect, and I am not a mistake. I choose to be with me for now. I am confident that I will be in a healthy union soon. I deserve love, and I deserve to be loved. I'm not too much. I am just enough. Whew, yes, take some deep breaths, and now take a few seconds to just reassess how you feel on that scale of 1 to 10. And give yourself a big stretch and a smile, feeling good in every way, feeling perfect, whole, and complete. So go ahead and reward yourself with your special thing. Mine is my special fan. This is my way of giving honor to myself. I hope you enjoyed sitting with me on this episode of The Blue Couch. I'm Gena Golden, clinical social worker, integrative psychotherapist, neuroscience-informed life coach, social justice advocate, and racial healing practitioner. My work includes helping to provide restorative healing methods for you to practice and to embody. I'll see you next time. Peace and love.